Hi guys, let's start with a session on running a bulk cross match. Considering BXM, that's bulk cross match that compares member records in binary on the file system, and the comparison is in bulk, it's dramatically faster than comparing each record individually. So the three components for BXM, there are MPX comp, that's the compare member in bulk, MPX link, that's load entity, then Madden long load, which is for load UNLs to DB. And BXM, it takes about the same amount of time as a weight generation job. Now, as a small exercise, you can just kick off your bulk cross match according to the instructions here. Talking of the enterprise ID assignment, where the member records are assigned an EID that would identify the entity to which it belongs. So if the record it founds a match, the EID is shared between two records. So for the process or the steps in BXM, that starts with the derivation of data and ends with loading of data. Where here, as we can see in this chart, where you have the customer data, then you create the core data, then derived data is created, and the candidates are selected, where you compare the candidates and link entities to create tasks, and finally load it to the database. So here the first three steps, these are performed by the derived data and create UNLs, MPX data job. Then the next two for selecting and comparing candidates, they are performed by compare member in bulk, that's MPX comp job. Then linking the entities to create tasks, it's performed by link entity or MPX link. Finally, loading to the database, it's done by load UNLs to DB, that's mad UN load. Now the compare members, they can be checked at the MPX comp log at this location which is mentioned here, where the bulk compare, it uses the same 10 partitions that we saw in weight generation logs, and the timer logging, it enables the output to tell which part you're on. Okay. Plus, the logs, they also tell how many linkages or tasks were identified. Then here, as we can see in this example, where you have the total pairs compared, the linkages made, the potential linkages and the duplicate tasks found, and finally the review identifier task found. Now you can go through the small exercise to verify that your BXM it's completed successfully.